Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y39 5G with premium stylish design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.68 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1608 pixels, approximately 84.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and shot glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4 and LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps. On both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system. Based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.3 by 8.09, 8.19 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams, and the color options, lotus purple, ocean blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 44-watt wired fast flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with 400% louder volume support, USB Type-C charging port. AI features include AI screen translations, live text, AI audio algorithm, and circle to search, IP64 dust tight and water resistant, and military-grade shock resistance support. So now let's have a look at the pricing. Details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y39 5G has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y39 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.